Hello, my dear students, welcome back to IK Sir Chemistry classes. In this video, we will discuss the term basicity and the classification of acids on the basis of their basicity. Basicity is a very common term in chemistry which is used frequently in its various chapters. Therefore, a clear cut concept of basicity is essential. First of all, we will see what is basicity. The number of H plus ions that can be furnished by one molecule of an acid is called its basicity. It is obvious that the basicity is a property of an acid. It is not a property of a base. Basicity is a property of an acid which is equal to the number of H plus ions that can be furnished by one molecule of that acid. Let us illustrate it taking an example. HCl is an acid which furnishes H plus ion and Cl minus ion when dissolved in water. Here it is obvious that one molecule of HCl furnishes one H plus ion on dissolving in water, and this H plus ion can be neutralized on treatment with NaOH forming NaCl and H2O. It is obvious that one molecule of HCl furnishes one H plus ion, and hence basicity of HCl is equal to 1. The basicity of an acid is equal to the number of H plus ions that can be furnished by one molecule of that acid. Now, classification of acids. The protonic acids, that is, the acids which furnish H plus ions, can be classified on the basis of their basicity as follows. What are protonic acids? The acids which furnish H plus ion are called protonic acids, and such acids can be classified on the basis of their basicity as follows. Acids are of two types, monobasic acids and polybasic acids. The polybasic acids are further of three types, dibasic acids, tribasic acids and tetrabasic acids. We will discuss all these terms one by one. First of all, monobasic acid. The acid which can furnish only one H plus ion per molecule is called a monobasic acid. Some examples of monobasic acids are given below. One molecule of HCl furnishes one H plus ion. One molecule of HBr furnishes one H plus ion, and one molecule of HI furnishes one H plus ions, and hence these three acids are monobasic acids. Acetic acid contains 4 atoms of hydrogen, but only that hydrogen atom which is attached to oxygen atom can be furnished as H plus ion, and hence the basicity of acetic acid is also equal to 1. These acids have basicity equal to 1. Polybasic acid. The acid which can furnish more than one H plus ion per molecule is called a polybasic acid. It means the acid which can furnish more than one H plus ion per molecule is called a polybasic acid. The polybasic acids are further of following types as we have discussed earlier: dibasic acid, tribasic acid and tetrabasic acid. Now the term dibasic acid. It is obvious that its basicity will be 2. The acid which can furnish 2 H plus ions per molecule is called a dibasic acid. An example is given here. One molecule of H2SO4 furnishes 2 H plus ions when dissolved in water. Let us see the structure of H2SO4. In the H2SO4 molecule, two hydrogen atoms are attached to oxygen atom, and hence these two hydrogen atoms can be furnished as H plus ions, and therefore the basicity of H2SO4 is equal to 2 and it is a dibasic acid. Please note that the hydrogen atom of an acid which is attached to oxygen atom can be furnished as H plus ion. Some more examples of dibasic acid are given below: sulfurous acid, H2SO3, and oxalic acid. One molecule of these acids contain 2 H atoms which can be furnished as H plus ions. These acids have basicity equal to 2. Tribasic acid. The acid which can furnish 3 H plus ions per molecule is called a tribasic acid and its basicity is equal to 3. For example, one molecule of H3PO4 phosphoric acid furnishes 3 H plus ions and hence it is a tribasic acid. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4, and H3ASO4 arsenic acid, both are tribasic acids. Let us see the structure of H3PO4, in which 3 hydrogen atoms are attached to oxygen atom, and hence these can be furnished as H plus ion, and hence these acids have basicity equal to 3. Tetrabasic acid. It is obvious that the acid which can furnish 4 H plus ions per molecule is called a tetrabasic acid. Examples: H3P2H4P2O7, it is pyrophosphoric acid or diphosphoric acid, and another example is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Let us see structures of these acids. First of all, H4P2O7 pyrophosphoric acid has 4 hydrogen atoms attached to oxygen atom, and hence these can be furnished as H plus ion and its basicity is equal to 4. Now let us see the structure of ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. It also contains 4 hydrogen atoms attached to oxygen atom, and hence these can be furnished as H plus ions. Therefore these two acids have basicity equal to 4. Now the time for a self-assessment. What is the basicity of phosphorus acid having formula H3PO3? Please pause the video and try to solve the problem. Here is the answer of problem. It appears that phosphorus acid H3PO3 has basicity equal to 3 because it contains 3 hydrogen atoms per molecule. From the chemical formula, we can conclude that H3PO3 is a tribasic acid and its basicity is equal to 3 because its one molecule contains 3 hydrogen atoms. But it is not true. Let us examine its structure given below. In the molecule of H3PO3, only 2 hydrogen atoms are attached to oxygen atom, which can be furnished as H plus ion. On the other hand, the third hydrogen atom, which is attached to phosphorus atom, cannot be furnished as H plus ions, and therefore the basicity of phosphorus acid, that is H3PO3, is equal to 2 and not 3. It is a dibasic acid. Another question for self-assessment. What is the basicity of hypophosphorus acid, H3PO2? Try to solve the problem after pausing the video. Here is the answer. Here also it appears that hypophosphorus acid, that is H3PO3, has basicity equal to 3 because it contains 3 hydrogen atoms per molecule. Again, it is not true. Let us examine its structure again. In the molecule of H3PO2, only one hydrogen atom is attached to oxygen atom, which can be furnished as H plus ion. On the other hand, two hydrogen atoms which are attached to phosphorus atom cannot be furnished as H plus ion, and hence the basicity of H3PO2 is 1, and it is a monobasic acid rather than tribasic acid. And another question to assess yourself: what is the basicity of boric acid, H3BO3? Here is the answer of problem. It appears that boric acid, that is H3BO3, is a tribasic acid because its all the 3 hydrogen atoms are attached to oxygen atom. H3BO3 can be represented as BOH3. All the 3 hydrogen atoms are attached to boron atom, and we can be tempted to conclude that it is a tribasic acid and its basicity is equal to 3. But again, it is not true. One molecule of boric acid furnishes only one H plus ion when dissolved in water, and it comes from H2O rather than from boric acid molecule. When boric acid is dissolved in water, its one molecule furnishes only one H plus ion, and this H plus ion comes from water and not from boric acid molecule. BOH3 plus H2O give BOH4 minus charge plus H plus ion. This H plus ion comes from H2O, and the remaining OH minus ion gets attached to BOH3, forming BOH4 minus. Therefore, the basicity of boric acid is 1 and it is a monobasic acid. Thank you for watching the video with concentration. Please like, share and subscribe it so that encouraged from it, I may bring more useful videos before you in future. Thank you again.